Welcome back to my craft room. Today I want to show you how to personalize a candle. Super easy, super simple. All you need is 4 things. A candle, the thing you want to use to personalize the candle, a sheet of wax paper, and a heat gun. Although I also heard you could use a hairdryer. I don't have a hairdryer, so I don't know if that works. But if you have one, feel free to test it. If it doesn't work, pick up one of these guys. Okay, let's get into it. This is so simple and so easy. I saw somebody do this on a live video on Facebook, I think, and I was like, that's amazing. I need to do that because I'm all here for easy decor. One thing you have to keep in mind when you're choosing the item that you want to personalize your candle with is you have to make sure that the piece of paper is thin. If it's not thin, it's not going to work very well. So this is just simple copy paper from my printer. It doesn't need to be high detailed. If you use like a photo paper or an actual like photo, it might be more difficult to put it on. So I recommend copy paper. Anything that you can print from your computer typically is going to be okay. Don't use cardstock or anything like that. But like, you know, paper that does this pretty easily. Okay, so we're gonna just line up our image on the candle like this. I'll hold it down with my hand. I'm just putting this around, this is the wax paper. I'm putting this around the candle. You want it to be pretty tight, so just push it around. You'll get it around to the back. And you can choose how to hold it. I'm gonna try it like I saw the lady do in the video that I was watching, where she kind of pulled it tight on the back and then like folded it over on itself so that, so it stayed pretty tight. I don't think I'm actually gonna do that. Okay, so you're just gonna fold it around so it's really tight on there. And you wanna make sure that you're holding it in a way where your fingers are gonna be behind the candle. Okay, we're gonna turn this on. And you're just gonna, sorry, just in case you can't hear me over this thing, we're just gonna heat up this picture until it looks kind of wet. That's all I have. It's gonna look wet. I'll show you once we get there. Okay, you can sort of see it here. It's shiny. Shiny and wet looking. Okay, you basically just want to go around until all the edges and every surface on the picture looks like that wet texture. It doesn't look dry, it doesn't look like paper. So basically what we're doing is transferring the wax from the wax paper on top of the picture. So the wax is going to then envelop the picture and make it look like it's inside of the candle. Okie dokie. Moment of truth time. Say I probably waited about a minute and a half. And there you have it. We got our beautiful princess on our candle. And like seriously, it doesn't, like you can barely even feel an edge. It's pretty amazing. She looks like she was built in. So you can use any type of picture that you want, preferably one that you print from your computer so that the paper is the right quality. I like the black and white look because the candle is white and it gives it kind of just a classier look. So also my printer doesn't print in color. But you can use color if you are interested in trying color. But there you have it. Super easy, personalized DIY candle. If you enjoyed this video and thought this DIY hack was super helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you would like to see more content like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!